In-depth analysis, live reports from the field, weather experts, meteorologists, and hurricane hunters telling you what's happening, why it's happening, and what's next. The Weather Channel, Hurricane Central.
Now, your local on the 8s.
A tropical storm warning, a flood advisory, and a flood watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently, the temperature is 73 degrees with rainy conditions. Our local Doppler radar. Today, windy with rain, heavy at times, high 77. North winds at less than 5 miles per hour, increasing to 20 to 30 miles per hour. 1 to 2 inches of rain expected. For tonight, windy with rain, heavy at times, low 69. Southeast winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour, diminishing to 5 to 10 miles per hour. Rainfall possibly over 1 inch. Significant flooding is expected. On Monday, rain showers ending early with ample sunshine later in the day. High 79. Winds south-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. The week ahead.